Hello everyone, what's going on? This is Amarjeet and today I'm gonna make your YouTube experience much cooler. So let's get started. I watch YouTube a lot. I mean, who doesn't? It's one of the best places to listen to music, watch tutorials, reviews and whatnot. But one thing I don't like about YouTube is that it does not support background playback. When you switch to a different app, even for a second it stops playing. Or when you're traveling and just want to listen to the audio, it just isn't possible. Well, I have a solution for you all. I've been using this app for the past week and it has completely changed my YouTube experience. And this works even without rooting your device. Once you install this app, head over to the settings by tapping on your profile on the upper left corner. Go to settings and then background and downloads. Under the background play options, tap on the playback option and select always on. You can also select headphones or external speaker, which will only allow playback when you are using external speakers or headphones. Now you can listen to YouTube when you are chatting, browsing Instagram, Facebook, or doing basically anything. It keeps playing even when the screen is locked. You can pause, next or go to previous video right from the notifications.
Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming.
Another feature that I like about this app is the dark theme. Go to settings, general and you will see an option to enable dark theme. Toggle the switch to apply dark theme. It's really comfortable when you're using YouTube in low lighting or you're just a fan of black. This app has all the features from the official app like incognito mode, autoplay, minimize video to the bottom of the app and everything else.
ਲੱਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਰਦੀ ਸਤਾਰਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਖਾਵੇ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੋਰ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਹੁਣ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸ਼ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ
You will need to install two apps. Download links for both of the apps are given in the description. Once you have downloaded both the apps, locate them on your file explorer and install them. The MacroG app will allow you to sign in to your YouTube account. If you don't install this app, you will not be able to log in. Open the app from the app menu and tap on Accounts icon and log in with your Google account. All the credit for this amazing app goes to Team Vanced. Do check out the link to the XDA form in the description given below. Now you can enjoy YouTube in a lot better way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you face any trouble or have questions, post them in the comment section. Smash the subscribe button to see more videos like this. I'll see you next time.